Hello, my name's Louise, and I was born, educated, and spent many years living in England. I lived in a town called Aldershot, which is near to London. I currently live in Kathmandu, and I work here as an online English tutor. I've helped many students to improve their spoken and their written skills.
And here's what our learners say about us.
And I have completed one month, and the experience was quite good. I would say definitely I'm going to renew this today. We don't want to miss the classes.
This was my first experience online classes I did, and it was good. I really enjoyed.
Okay.
As the teacher was also very nice, friendly.
Hoping that easy to learn English again, because I left English years back and I was not in touch with English properly. So
Okay.
they give me a friendly environment, and
So it's really wonderful. It's helping me a lot, and learning virtually is new for me. I was little nervous in the first go because I have never heard learning English online. So yes, it's a new experience and it's really improving me. I still fumbles, but that fear which was there in me has gone. I can speak. I fumbles, but I still speak.
And would you like to recommend the course to anyone?
Definitely.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah, definitely.
Obviously, I will recommend anyone who are in need.
so I will definitely tell to the people that join 10th.